Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an extra builder. First, you need to unlock the builder base. This happens when your home village reaches Town Hall Level 4. Once you're there, simply repair the wrecked boat on your shore. This boat will then take you to a completely new village, the builder base, which has its own unique buildings and upgrade paths. To progress towards your extra builder, focus on your builder base. You'll need to upgrade your builder hall to level 9, which unlocks the OTTO hut. Additionally, several key builder base defenses and troops must be fully upgraded. Don't forget to also gear up 3 specific defenses in your main home village, like the cannon, archer tower, and mortar, to their maximum levels. The OTTO hut itself has 4 crucial upgrade requirements. You must upgrade your battle machine to its maximum level, which is level 30. Next, maximize your Mega Tesla to level 9. Then, upgrade your cannon cart troop to level 18. Finally, you will build and upgrade the OTTO hut to its 5th and final level to complete the process. Once all these tasks are complete, you will unlock your 6th builder. This extra builder is incredibly valuable, as it significantly speeds up your construction progress in the home village. You can now have 5 builders working in your main village and 1 dedicated to the builder base, making upgrades much faster. Congratulations on reaching this significant milestone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.